Okay, students, we are in the fundamental concepts of algebra, and you might have got a vast concept on fundamental concept of algebra through the previous video and your previous knowledge. So, of your standard 6 or 5 or so. So, children, let us move on to the exercise 1, page number A6 and 6, 7 and 8. See, I have taken question number 1. Question number 1 said to you, express using algebraic symbol. See, you have to use the variable also, and you have to take the sign of of plus, minus, or multiplication also. And algebra, let me tell you, x multiplied y will be written not x into y this way. It will be written as x beside y. That means multiplication. 3 multiplied x will be written as 3x, not 3 into x. Could you understand me? So that is the way of writing. X divided by y usually we write down as this. We don't write down in algebra like this. Usually we don't write down. Okay. These all the things are general. Okay. Now express using algebraic symbols. I have taken fourth one. X subtracted from 20. See, x subtracted from 20. From 20. So 20 minus x, don't make it x minus 20. I know there are children, those who will make x minus 20. Don't do so. When subtraction you do, especially which one will be minus one and which one will be subtrahend, that you must know. From where what to be subtracted, that you must know. So x is from 20, only x has to be subtracted. Now one third of x multiplied by y. 1/3 of x by 3, 1/3 of means multiply. So 1/3 multiplied with x by 3 plus y, x by 3 plus y will be the expression. Now question number 2 also convert in algebraic expression. There also I have taken third and sixth one. This all you are done in your previous channel. You are mastering this till it is given in your exercise. You have to do, but don't do any mistake. Okay. Now sum of x and minus 15. Sum means result of addition. So that will be symbolized with addition sign. So x and plus minus 15. That will be said as x plus minus 15. If you do further plus minus minus, sum of x and minus 15 divided by 7. Divided by 7 also is there. So x, first you solve this one. X plus minus 15 will be x minus 15. Plus minus plus multiplied minus will be minus. So x minus 15 and division sign, as I said to you, it will go to denominator. So x minus 15 by 7. I hope you have understood that twice the sum of z and minus 16. Twice the sum of z and minus 16. That one is that you have to find out. Z and minus 16 sum you do. Z plus minus 16 you do first. So twice the sum of z and minus 16, I might have done wrong. The answer will be twice the sum of z and minus 16, z plus minus 16, that will be multiplied twice. So that will become 2z. This will become plus minus minus. Put it under curly bracket will be better, because here is one plus sign. So it will become twice into 2z minus 16. That will be the answer, or 2z minus 32. That will be the answer. I hope that is the answer given. Let us tally the answer. That one was the question of question number 2. Sixth one. 261 answer is 2 into z minus this. Here itself they have given the answer. Could you understand? Now moving on to question number 3. Express algebraically 50 centimeters shorter than L centimeter. See, 50 centimeters shorter than L centimeter. L centimeter is greater. So L minus 50 within bracket, then unit has to be given, or L centimeter minus 50 centimeter. Don't write down this way. You write down L minus 50 in bracket, then centimeter. Now 700 degree Fahrenheit warmer than T degree Fahrenheit. So T degree Fahrenheit is more warm. That is why T degree Fahrenheit you have to write down T plus 7 degree Fahrenheit. T plus 7 degree Fahrenheit. T plus within bracket, then that will be degree sign and then Fahrenheit. That will be the answer. If question number 5, if n represents first number, this is very important, n represents the first number, then what will be the consecutive number? Consecutive number usually is what? Consecutive number 3, 4, 5. These are all consecutive number, no? 15, 16, 17. These are all consecutive number. If n is the first number, n is 3, then next will be n plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then next will be n plus 2, isn't it? In respect to n, if it is n, then this is, in respect to this number, it is 1 up. In respect to this number, this is 2 up. Next will be 3 up. This will be the consecutive, n plus 4, like this it will go on, no? So that is what we have to do. See, sum of 3 consecutive integers. The first one is n, then the numbers are n plus 1, n plus 2, 3 numbers. First one is n, second one, third one. 3 numbers it is set to you. Then sum of them will be, you have to add all these things. N plus, within bracket, n plus 1 is the second, then plus, for the sum, these two plus sign and n plus 2. You can simplify that one. N, removing the bracket, n plus 1, n plus 2, 1, 2, 3n, 3n plus 3. 3n plus 3 will be the answer. Answer is not given, answer is given this much only. This much only answer is given, but I will tell you solve it this way. Okay, now twice the sum of 4 consecutive even integers. See, first even integer is n, then next even integer will definitely be n plus 2. Take an example. First even integer is 4. Fine. Next even integer will be 4. Even number is what? 6. So if it is n, here 6 is equal to what? 4 plus 2. If it is n, then this is definitely become n plus 2. So consecutive even number or odd number, if the first number is n, then there will be next consecutive even number will be n plus 2, the next one will be n plus 4, the next one will be n plus 6, like this. So how many you need? Sum of 4 consecutive. First you write down 4 consecutive even number in integer. First one is n, second one is n plus 2, third one is n plus 4, fourth one is n plus 6. 4 consecutive number you need. So you have written down that twice the sum of them. 2 into sum of all these things. Could you understand? If you find out, this is the answer given might be, but I don't do it because you have to simplify this. You remove the bracket, n plus 2 plus n plus 4 plus all the bracket will be removed and simply it will become, so how many n? 1, 2, 3, 4n. 4n plus, what is in there? 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12. 4n plus 12, 2 into 4, 4n plus 12, which is equal to 8n plus 24 will be the answer, or you can write down the answer this way. You can keep the answer here also. Better to do the answer here. Okay, then you have simplified that one also. Moving on to question number 5. See, it is given, I said power of the variable in the previous video. B itself is multiplied 5 times. So b raised 5, b raised to the power 5, b raised to the power 5. Do you understand me? That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Power will be 5, b will be the base. Now moving on to question number 6. For the expression, there is expression, big expression given to you. Can you tell me what type of expression is this? It's a multinomial expression because many terms are there. How many terms are there? Let us do this. How many terms are there? This question is the basic of algebra and you must do it without any mistake. Number of terms. Terms means each expression separated by plus or minus. I have said it in previous also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 terms are there. What are the terms? Along with the sign and numerical coefficient. So 5x cube one term, 6x square one second term, 9xy square third term, fourth term is 10xy, fifth term is 6x, sixth term is minus 5y. Don't write down 5y because it is having minus. Along with the sign you have to say the term 5, and 4 last term is minus 4. Could you understand me? There the children will do the mistake. They will skip minus and write down the term. Don't do so. Now constant term is what? Only number value, numerical value. That is 4 only. This 4 is the constant term. Okay. In the term this one 9xy square, numerical coefficient, the number coefficient is plus 9. You will have to write down 9 only. Plus 9, that is. Could you understand me? Coefficient of y square in this term. Leaving y square, what is left? 9x. Coefficient of y square will be 9x in the term 9xy square. Now coefficient of xy. Xy, if you leave it, see 9x square y is equal to what? 9x square y is equal to, if you write down as a product, then what will happen? 9x y square, no? Y square is equal to what? 9 into x into y into y. So if you leave xy, then what will happen? X and y are leaving, 9 and y is left. So 9y. Along with the sign you have to do. Had it been minus 9xy square, then it could have been minus 9y. Could you understand? Now identify monomial, binomial and trinomial, which is very, very simple. I have taken only 3 out of it. 2x plus 3y, 2 terms are there, therefore definitely binomial. 1 term is there, second one, so it will be monomial. And then 6th one I have taken 1, 2, 3 terms are there, so trinomial. If more than 3 terms are there, that will be multinomial. But can you tell me what will be x divided by y plus 2? What type of expression is? Children will say trinomial, sir. No, I said you multiplication and division should not be counted as a separate term. You further you express it algebraically. I said your division will be written like this only. Now how many terms are there? 2 terms are there. Therefore this is a binomial expression. Could you understand me? So multiplication, similarly, suppose a into 1 by b plus 3. How many expressions are there? Don't say 3 expressions. It is having 2 expressions because a into 1 by b can be written as ab plus 3. So it is a binomial term. I hope you have understood. Then I will take another small video to cover your fundamental concept of algebra.